Hello student, welcome back to maths class. Today we learn here topic fraction. Topic fraction. First one, say me what is a fraction? Fraction means what? Kids, all are remembered? Fraction means what? Fraction is a part of whole. Part of whole. It is a represent one or more equal parts in whole object. See here, I draw here one square. We do there four parts in there. They are shaded parts. 3. Unshaded part is 1. How to write the fraction? How many total parts? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is a denominator. And how many shaded parts? 3, 4. How to read? 3/4. 3/4, yeah, 3/4. In there, 3 is a what you call 3 number? Numerator number. This bar, fraction bar. That one line, fraction bar. And last one number, denominator number. Denominator number. Okay. What is the meaning of that? 3 out of 4. When you have marks, you got a marks, that time you say na, I got 24 out of 25, 48 out of 50. That type you said na. Same as it is their fraction. Same as it is a fraction. The numerator indicates the number of equal part considered. The number of equal part considered. It is written above the fraction bar. It is written above the fraction bar. And denominator indicates total number of equal parts. The whole divided into, it is a written below of fraction bar. It is a written below of fraction bar. Understand? Now, see here, 1, 2 example we write here. There is a rectangle. There is a rectangle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 is there. Okay. How many shaded parts? See. How many shaded parts? You count there. First one, denominator number means what? Write there are total parts. How many is there? 10. And write there 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Numerator for fraction for a shaded part. You write here fraction for a shaded part. What is the right numerator? Shaded part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Write there 5. Okay. How to read? How to write in words? 5/10. How to write in words? 5 tenth. Meaning is there 5 out of 10 equal part. 10 equal parts. Okay? Understand? Okay. Next one. See. Given you half of 4 balls. Half of 4 balls means, see here, 1, 2, 3, 4 ball is here. Half of 4 balls means 1, 2. How many is there? 2. Write there 2. Understand? Yeah. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Write there 2. Understand? Okay. Next one, 1/3 of 9 balls. 1/3 of 9 balls. 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. What is the answer is there? 3. Understand? Okay. Now we learn here equivalent fraction. We learn here equivalent fraction. See, equivalent fractions. How to do? When we multiply by numerator number, when you multiply by numerator number and the denominator number of the given fraction by the same number other than the 0, you call that one equivalent fraction. When you multiply by numerator number, any one number multiply by numerator number, that number also you multiply by denominator number. You call that one equivalent fraction. See here, given fraction 2 by 3. Given fraction 2 by 3. You want there, you write there next equivalent fraction. That time, see, 2 multiplied by 2, when you multiply, that time same time you multiply by denominator number, same number. Next one, 2 by 3 multiply by 3 multiply by 3. 2 multiply by 4, 3 multiply by 4. Which number you multiply by numerator number, that same number, same time you multiply by denominator number. 2 by 3, 2 twos are 4, 3 twos are 6, 2 threes are 6, 3 threes are 9, 2 fours are 8, 4 threes are 12. Understand? Okay. Next one, 5 by 4. Given you fractions here, here 10, here 12 and here 16, 20. Okay. 5 2s are 10, so 4 multiplied by 2, 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, so 4 5s are 5 4s are 20, 4 4s are, you write here 16. Understand? Okay. Now you compare the fraction. First one, find the missing fraction of equivalent. 1 2 3 examples same as it is we learn here. 5 by 6 is equal to 30, 15, 42. Okay, 6 5s are 30, 5 5s are 25, 5 3s are 15, 6 3s are 18, 6 7s are 45, 5 7s are 35, 5 7s are 35. How to do, understand? Next one now, types of fraction. Right here, types of fraction. First one type is there proper fractions. Proper fractions. Proper fraction means what? Proper fraction is a fraction having a numerator less than a denominator. Proper fraction means is a fraction having numerator that is less than its denominator. Less than denominator. Understand? See which 3 by 4, 1 by 2, 4 by 5, you call that one. See here, denominator is a greater than the numerator number, so you call that one proper fraction. Next one, improper fraction. Improper fractions. Fraction having numerator that is equal to or greater than the denominator. Understand? Means 5 by 4, 6 by 5, 11 by 9, you call that one improper fraction. Next one, like fraction. Like fraction means fraction having same denominators. Same denominators are called like fraction. Means 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4, 5 by 4, you call that one like fraction. fraction. And unlike fraction means fraction having not a same denominator, not a same denominator, are called unlike fraction, are called unlike fractions. Okay. Next one, mixed number. Mixed numbers. Mixed number means the sum of natural numbers and a proper fraction Understand? Now this type fraction is there. Now we compare the fraction. Okay. Right here. Compare the fraction. There we use which sign? More than, less than and is equal to sign. More than, less than and is equal to sign. See here. Seven by 9 and 5 by 9. You compare this number. See, first one. 7 by 9 and 5 by 9. Their denominator is a same. Both sides denominator number is a same. You call that one a like fraction. Now you compare their denominator is the same. But numerator number is a different. Which numerator number is the greatest? That fraction is the greatest number. 7 by 9 is a greater than the 5 by 9. 7 by 9 is greater than the 5 by 9. Understand? Now 6 by 7 and 9 by 7. Both side denominator number first we check. Both sides are same. You compare their numerator number. Which is the greatest number? That number is the greatest. 6 and 9 compare. 9 is a greater number. So 6 by 7 is less than the 9 by 7. 9 by 7. Now 1 by 2 and 2 by 4. That time what you do? 1 by 2 and 2 by 4. 2 by 4 means that also 1 by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So both are same. both are same. Understand? This is for your confusion. This is for your confusion. Okay. Now write the ascending and descending order. Ascending and descending order. First one. Ascending means what? Ascending number means what? Write the number small to big. Write the number small to big. Now write here ascending order. Ascending order. 1 by 7, 5 by 7, 4 by 7, 6 by 7. 1 by 7, 4 by 5 by 7, 4 by 7, 6 by 7. First, say all denominators is a same. All denominators is a same. And all numerator number is a different. So you compare their all numerator number. 1 is the first one smallest number. Then 4. Then 5. 4 and 5 is a in between. And last one number is a 6. So write there 1 by 7, 4 by 7, 5 by 7, 6 by 7. Write here descending order. Write here descending order. 6 by 7. Descending order means what? Write their number big to small. Big to small. 5 by 7, 4 by 7, 1 by 7. Understand? Next one. 5 by 11, 3 by 11, 9 by 11, 7 by 11. Ascending order. 3 by 11, 5 by 11, 7 by 11, 9 by 11. Write here descending order also. 9 by 11, 7 by 11, 5 by 11, 3 by 11. Understand? See here, do the addition and subtraction also. But only we learn here in the denominator is a same, means with the like fraction. With the like fraction. Four by 23 plus 11 by 23. 23 write as it is. 11 plus 4, 15. 15 by 23. 1 by 14 plus 8 by 14 plus 3 by 14. By 14 is right there. 9, 1 plus 8, 9, 9 plus 3, 10, 11, 12, 12 by 14. Understand how to do the addition? Now subtraction. 7 by 19 minus 2 by 19. Denominator number write same as it is. 7 by 2. Right there 5 by 19. Next one. 34 by 39 minus 21 by 39 is equal to denominator number write as it is. 4 minus 1, 3. 3 minus 2, 1. Write their answer 13 by 39. Okay. All of you revised here. Now today's homework. 2 to 30 tables, write and barheaded there. Okay, thank you.